You just have to believe God in His word, and if He has said it, He will do it. Go ye to the world to win souls, to deliver the captive, to set those that have been bound by the enemy free.
Good day and welcome to Restoration Power Ministry.
To cut the story short, I was attacked, which I didn't know.
I want to bless the name of God for what God has done in our life.
And I don't know what you are passing also, where you are right now. So in the name of Jesus, it doesn't matter what you are facing now, whatever you are passing through in your life, God is able to bring you out of it.